What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we are going to cover Pump Fund wallets, and we're also going to cover to see if Pump Fund wallets and contracts and coins are bundled, so that way you guys can avoid any rugs and scams and honeypots within cryptocurrency, let alone copy trading cryptocurrency. So what we're going to do here is we are going to pull up a random coin that I feel looks good. I'm just kind of winging this one here. So we see this one is Alris Agent at $6.3 million in market cap. So what's the first thing we do, guys? If you listen to my videos before, you go here, you want to click copy. And what I do is I go here to this bot, and you can only get this bot, guys, if you are in my Discord, which I will also have linked in the description. But first, what I would do is I would click bundle here, / with the contract. And this would show me if the coin is bundled or not. And I see here that it is bundled, meaning that one wallet scooped up a lot of the supply before it got posted to Dex Screener and Radium, right? So this means that this wallet right here is holding a lot of supply of this coin, right? So I personally would see that as a red flag, and I might not even invest in it. But depending on the name of the coin, right, that then you can make your sound judgment and decision. I know this is related to a meta called the Truth Terminal meta. Okay, this deals with AI, and AI is very big this year in 2025. So I know that this coin was going to be bullish. I knew that this coin was going to take off, so it made the most sense for me. But if I wanted to take it a step further, what I would do is go here, and then I would click /early_PF for early pump fund wallets. And so in doing this, you can see all of the wallets that invested in this coin very early. So this is such a cheat code, guys. People aren't doing this in 2025 when it comes to cryptocurrency, let alone talking about it or teaching it, right? So what I would do is I'd pull up this Excel sheet, and I would open up SoulScan, right? So when I open up SoulScan, the first thing that I'm going to see and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in this wallet so I can see what exactly it's buying and what it's selling and what kind of wallet I'm working with here, because I want to copy trade this, right? Yes, this channel is to teach you guys about cryptocurrency in the DGen market, but my specialty is teaching you guys how to make passive income through cryptocurrency with the use of copy trading crypto, right? So what I would see here is I see that this wallet only right here, you see how it has the pill, the green and white pill that stands for pump fund. I ignore the R for Radium, because when it's R for Radium, it means that it's already been listed on Dex Screener, right? So that means it's already hit $70,000 in market cap. And what we want to do is we want to get in early before the $70,000 in market cap so we can maximize our gains, right? So what I would do is I'd go here and I'd see this wallet, and I'm like, okay, it bought one soul for 5 million tokens of ALR, right? And only spent $245. Hence why it made so much money. You can see that here, $1,000, $600, and he is just literally trimming the chart, right? This wallet, I can assume, has made well over $20,000 off of a $250 investment. So that's just an example of a good wallet and how to find and identify pump fund wallets within the cryptocurrency blockchain without having to manually do it and actually having to manually go in and click the contract and look through the wallets, because that can be a pain, let's be honest, right? And even sitting here staring at charts, you don't want to ape something or buy something at $6 million in market cap and then have to do technical analysis, because that's just BS, right? People aren't doing that nowadays, right? With AI and with technology, you're able to get in coins a hell of a lot earlier than $6 million in market cap. You can get in sub $40,000 in market cap, 40K, 30K, 20K, and put in only like 0.2, 0.3 Solana, and then come out on the other side making 5 or 6 figures. I mean, you can see it here, right? There's a bought and a sold transaction on the top traders, but the wallets that have an empty block here, 9 times out of 10, it's because it shows on Pump Fund, but it doesn't show on Dex Screener. So that's a great indicator, right? So that's another way to identify how you can copy trade a wallet that, was from Pump Fund, right? I can tell this one bought from Dex Screener, but this one bought on Pump Fund, right? So I would go in here and click their wallets, right, to identify. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I have plenty more videos to do that in, plenty more days. But like I said, guys, this bot is really useful as well. It shows you the site check. You can see if a Twitter is reused. You can see if a token is graduated. You can reverse image search profile pictures of a coin to see if it's been reused, the common top traders, the heat map of the overall crypto market. Guys, this bot is extremely useful in today's trading world, and it helps me, and I use it all the time. And also, if you guys join my Discord, we have 100 wallets every single day for you guys to copy trade in cryptocurrency every single day for you guys to make passive income. So if you're not in there, I highly recommend you join the Discord. We're doing big things in there. And like I said, I'm going to make a video for you guys every single day, just explaining, what Pump Fun is, how Pump Fun works. And if you guys are interested, check out my free course as well. I have a free training on all this stuff. I cover all of it and more on every single chain for you guys to make money in 2025. So hope this cleared everything up in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.